treat yourself to a test drive in the 2011 Chevrolet Tahoe. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. It includes power seats, front fog lights, a roof rack, and much more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, rear-mounted audio controls, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.